Welcome to InvestoSphere, where we dive deep into the best ways to make money online, work from home, and build real wealth. Today's video is a complete beginner's guide to voiceover work from home. If you have ever dreamed of using your voice to make money, whether part-time or full-time, you are in the right place. In this video, we will walk you through every single thing you need to know. From setting up your home studio to finding high-paying gigs, building your voiceover portfolio, pricing your work, and avoiding common mistakes that beginners make. Stick with me all the way to the end, because we will also answer an important question that most beginners are afraid to ask. Let's dive right in. What is voiceover work? Voiceover work means providing your voice for different types of content. This can include commercials, audiobooks, animations, video games, YouTube videos, corporate training materials, documentaries, and even phone system messages. You're basically lending your voice to bring words on a page to life. IT is a flexible career that you can do from anywhere, including your own home. All you need is the right setup, practice, and strategy to get started. Why voiceover work is perfect for working from home. Voiceover jobs are project-based. You do not have to be tied to a traditional 9-to-5 job. You can choose your hours, set your rates, and work with clients around the world. Technology now makes it easier than ever. With a good microphone, a quiet space, and some basic editing skills, you can run your entire business from home. Plus, you do not need a degree or years of experience to get started. What matters most is your voice quality, your consistency, and your ability to deliver what clients are looking for. What skills you need to start voiceover work? You do not need a radio announcer voice to succeed. What you do need are these key skills: clear pronunciation, ability to read scripts naturally, good pacing and tone, emotional expression when needed, attention to detail, basic audio editing skills. Voiceover is about connecting with a listener. You want your delivery to feel authentic, not robotic or overly dramatic. The more you practice reading out loud and recording yourself, the better you will get. How to set up a simple home voiceover studio. You do not have to break the bank to build your first studio. Here is what you will need. Microphone. Invest in a good quality condenser microphone. Popular beginner options include the Audio-Technica at 2020 or the Rode NT1A. Audio interface. This connects your microphone to your computer. The Focusrite Scarlett Solo is a great option. Headphones. Close-back headphones help you hear your recordings clearly without sound leaking into the mic. Acoustic treatment. A quiet, echo-free space is key. You can set up foam panels, use heavy curtains, or even record in a closet. Recording software. Start with free software like Audacity or low-cost programs like Reaper. Make sure your setup is simple but high quality. Clients care more about the sound than the equipment brands. Best platforms to find voiceover jobs. There are many great online marketplaces to find work. Here are some of the top ones: Fiverr, Upwork, Voices.com, Voice123, Bunny Studio, Freelancer.com, ACX for audiobook narration. Each platform has its own rules and style. Study a few before deciding where to set up your profile. How to build your voiceover portfolio. Even if you're a beginner with no paid jobs yet, you can still build an impressive portfolio. Here is how. Record sample scripts in different styles: commercial, narration, character voice, audiobook. Keep your samples short, about 30 to 60 seconds each. Show variety, but stay within your natural vocal range. Edit them professionally. Clear sound matters. Upload them to your profiles and personal website. Your portfolio is what convinces clients to hire you. Make sure it reflects your best work. How to price your voiceover services. Pricing depends on several factors: the length of the script, where and how the recording will be used, your experience level, client's budget. Start with competitive rates for beginners. For example, You might charge between $50 and $100 for a short 1-minute recording. As you gain experience and client reviews, you can raise your rates. Never undersell yourself just to get a gig. Professionalism matters from the beginning. How to deliver great voiceover work. Clients expect more than just reading a script. Here's how you can exceed their expectations. Read the script carefully before recording. Follow any special instructions about tone, speed, or pronunciation. Do multiple takes if necessary. Edit your recording to remove background noise and mistakes. Deliver files in the correct format, usually WAV or MP3. Meet your deadlines. If you promise 48 hours, deliver within 48 hours. Building a reputation for quality and reliability is your biggest advantage. How to market yourself as a voiceover artist. Do not just rely on marketplaces, also market yourself through a simple website with your samples and contact information, a LinkedIn profile highlighting your voiceover work, networking in relevant online communities, reaching out to small businesses, YouTubers, podcasters, and authors who might need voice work. Marketing is how you create long-term clients and steady income. Common mistakes beginners make in voiceover work. Let's talk about what to avoid. Using a cheap, low-quality microphone. Ignoring audio editing basics. Being inconsistent with delivery times. Not warming up your voice before recording. Trying to sound like someone else instead of using your natural voice. Underpricing your services and burning out. Learning from mistakes early can save you years of frustration. How to improve your voiceover skills over time. Voiceover work is a craft. The best voice artists constantly work on their skills. Here is what you should do. Practice daily by reading books, articles, and scripts aloud. Record yourself often and listen critically. Take affordable voiceover courses online. Watch YouTube tutorials from experienced voice actors. Experiment with different styles and genres. The more you practice, the more confident and natural your voice will sound. How much money can you make as a beginner voiceover artist? Beginners can realistically expect to make a few $100s per month with part-time effort. With consistency, portfolio building, and client trust, it can grow into thousands of dollars per month. Top freelancers often make 6 figures annually. Success depends on dedication, skill building, marketing, and delivering quality consistently. Thank you for watching this complete beginner's guide to voiceover work from home that I hope you now have a clear roadmap on how to get started and build a successful career with your voice. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to InvestoSphere for more in-depth guides, just like this one. Also, please like this video and leave a comment below telling us, what kind of voiceover work are you most excited to try first? Commercials, audiobooks, animation? Your thoughts could inspire someone else watching too. Thanks again for being here, and I will see you in the next video.